Hey guys, and today I will be testing out a no glue soap and salt slime, and I'm just going to see if this works. Actually, I'll be showing you how it works because I made this earlier and I want to show you guys how to do it. So the soap I'm using is soft soap. I watched this on a video. They also use Dial, so Dial also works. I'm just going to add in a little bit of my soap. Sorry. So I think that's a good amount. Going to give it a little stir. As you can see, the soap is already a little bit thick. That's why. I'm just going to turn on this light. That's probably a little better. So I'm just going to stir this a little bit. And now we will add in our salt. You just want to add in a little bit. You don't want to add in too much or else it's going to become liquidy. If it becomes liquidy, then add in a little bit more soap. So, got some salt in my hands. I'm just going to add in a pinch. Put the rest on the table there, and we're just going to stir this up. As you can see, it's clumping together. Here it is. I'm just poking it. It's a little bit sticky, so we're just going to keep on mixing. As you can see, guys, it has clumped a lot, and it's not sticking too badly. Maybe a little more soap would help it out. So you can try doing that on your own. This is like a slime you can't really play with your hands, but you can actually poke it, and it is really nice. So you can try out this recipe. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And bye!